So if you check it properly, then we have shunt capacitor filter, correct? Series inductor filter, then our LC filter, and then the pi filter. Okay, so we have total 4 filters. Shunt capacitor filter, the component is used is capacitor. Okay, here the inductor is used, here inductor and capacitor is used, correct? And in the third case, inductor and 2 capacitors are used, correct? Shunt capacitor filter out the voltage. Series inductor filter out the current, correct? This filter out both, and this also filter out both. Then the placement of component is across load, along load, across load, across the load, correct? So then again, size of the filter component. Size of the filter component is small for shunt capacitor. Here it is medium, medium, and here large. Here the size is also large. For shunt capacitor filter, the cost is less. Again, for series also it is less. Moderate, or you can say actually this is moderate. Costly. This is also costly. So these are the differences between the filters. Again, the filtration amount, you can say the output is not pure, complete pure. Complete DC is not there in case of these two, and here the output is almost pure. So this is it. This is the difference between the four types of inductor. Sorry, four types of filters. So I hope it is clear. If you are having any doubt, you can ask me. One more difference is there. The application, you can say, this is used for light loads. I'll tell you what is light load, heavy load. This is used for heavy loads. Light as well as heavy, and this is used for light loads. Now light load means what? Whenever the current requirement is less, so that is called as a light load. Current requirement is less, that is light load. Where the current requirement is large, that is heavy load. So as you can see, wherever the capacitor is used, so shunt capacitor filter, LC filter, pi filter, here in all these three filters, capacitor component is used. So there the load requirement is light. Means it cannot give large currents. And here series inductor is there, so it is applicable for heavy loads. In LC, inductor is present. In L, inductor is present. That's why it is used for heavy loads. Now we will say that in pi also there is inductor, but still it is used for light load because there are two components of capacitors are there and only one inductor is there. So that's why it is used for light load, and this is used for heavy load. So this is a major difference between all four filters.